Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're looking to give your living room or bedroom a quick and affordable makeover, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to create beautiful custom pillow covers using simple designs. The best part? You don't need to be an expert crafter to do this. Let's get started. First, let's talk materials. All you need is some plain pillow covers. I like to use cotton or linen. You'll also need fabric paint or fabric markers, a pencil, some cardboard, and an iron. For our designs, we're keeping it simple but stylish. Think clean lines, geometric shapes, or even some easy-to-draw botanicals. I've pre-washed and ironed my pillow covers to make sure the paint applies smoothly. 2. Time for the fun part. The first step is to place a piece of cardboard inside your pillow cover. This is super important because it prevents the paint from bleeding through to the other side. Now, take your pencil and lightly sketch your design onto the fabric. Don't worry about making it perfect. This is just a guide. I'm going for a simple crisscross pattern on this one. Once you're happy with your sketch, it's time to paint. If you're using fabric markers, you can just start tracing over your lines. If you're using fabric paint, grab a small brush and apply it carefully. A little tip, less is more. You can always add a second coat later if you need to. I love how this black paint pops against the neutral fabric. It looks so modern and chic. After you've finished painting, you need to let it dry completely. This usually takes a few hours, but check the instructions on your paint for the specific drying time. Once it's bone dry, the final step is to heat set the design. Just remove the cardboard, cover your design with a thin cloth, and iron it on a medium to high setting for a few minutes. This locks the color in so you can wash your pillow cover without the design fading. And there you have it. A brand new custom-designed pillow cover that looks like it came straight from a high-end home decor store. You can mix and match patterns, experiment with different colors, and really let your personality shine through. It's such a satisfying and budget-friendly way to update your space. I hope you feel inspired to try this out for yourself. If you do, I'd love to see your creations. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy DIY projects. See you next time.